Hi and welcome back to another video. So have you ever wondered which gear you should be using when approaching a hazard such as a roundabout? In this video we're going to show you how to use the MSPSL routine correctly when dealing with roundabouts. Many drivers and instructors alike are getting this wrong according to the DVSA's Driving the Essential Skills and the Police Driver's Handbook Roadcraft. What they're doing is they're slowing the car down with the brakes whilst changing down the gears sequentially, or they're slowing down to second gear speed before taking second gear before they can even decide whether they're going to go or not. Making a decision on which gear to select before you have properly assessed the situation will result in unnecessary gear changes and is incorrect system of car control. Instead, we should try to adapt the one hazard, one gear approach, selecting an appropriate gear for our speed and then getting on with it. So keep watching, because in this video we're going to show you how to do it right. We'll be using the DVSA's MSPSL routine, which is very similar to the police system IPSGA, which stands for Information, Position, Speed, Gear and Accelerate. Here are some key phrases to help you remember this when you're doing this in your drive. So we're going to use brakes to slow, gears to go. Think of it as being prepared to stop, looking to go. If it's clear, take a gear. And try not to stop, keep your car moving. This is really good for your fuel efficient driving. Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate some roundabouts whilst giving an instructional commentary. Let's get started. So in a 40 limit, I'm up to 4th gear, travelling at 40. At the roundabout, going to be turning left, so I'm going to check centre mirror, left mirror. Pop the left signal on, onto the brakes, gentle brakes, now firmer brakes, keep braking, clutch to protect the stall. Look into the roundabout, it's clear, so release the brake, take an appropriate gear, clutch up, gas on, look where I'm going. Pop the signal back on. So into the new road, check mirrors, cancel the signal, make progress. So I'm approaching a roundabout, I'm in a 30-mile-an-hour speed limit, I'm in 4th gear, and I'm going to be using the MSPSL routine. So as soon as I have eyes on the junction, I will start the routine. So there's the roundabout in the distance, so I'm going to check my centre mirror, left mirror. Not going to signal just yet because of the junction on the near side. Easing off the gas, gently braking, popping the signal on, firmer braking now, can't see to the right, clutch down to protect the stall, release the brake, pick an appropriate gear, clutch up, gas on, and in I go. So at this roundabout I'm going to go left, currently in 4th gear, centre mirror, left mirror, left signal, gentle braking, positioning to the left, firmer braking now, clutch down to protect the stall, release the brakes now, roll into first, set the gas, and in we go, making sure I look in the direction of travel. New road, check mirrors, cancel signal, make progress. So in a 70-mile-an-hour speed limit, I'm in 6th gear, and at the roundabout we're going to go ahead using the routine. So I'm checking mirrors, easing off the gas. I want to gently brake at the 300-yard marker. So brakes are on gently now. Firming up on the 200-yard marker. Keep firming the brakes up. Position, I'm going to remain in the left-hand lane. Keep braking, keep braking, keep braking. Clutch to protect the stall, keep braking. Looking, assessing, deciding, release the brake, second gear, set gas, clutch up, and in we go. Looking in the direction of travel. A mirror signal for the exit, check mirrors, cancel signal, and if safe to do so, make progress. If you would like to train to become a driving instructor, then my online driving instructor training kit for part 2 might just be the course for you. It's online and you can enroll yourself, just see the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.